As we all know, that some animals are considered as endangered. Why they are called endangered species? Because such animals are in danger. Just like rhino, just like panda, just like tiger, vulture, peacock. Peacock means green peafowl. Snakes are also there. In this way, elephants are also there. So, such animals are in danger. Why? Because people kill them. Poachers kill the elephants for their tusk. Okay, for their tusk. Tusks are very costly because they are made of ivory. Ivory is a white substance present in tusks. It makes the thing hard, and people use tusk to make jewelry, to make art, to make different articles, statues. So tusks of elephants are very costly. People kill animals, people kill elephant, people kill deer, people kill tiger. Why? For their need. They satisfy their need by killing the animals. In this way, here elephant is there. Elephant, very precious wealth of earth. Very precious wealth of earth elephants are. They are now in danger, and if they will not be protected, then when time will come, they will also counted as extinct. Extinct means we won't see anymore. So children, here to write a paragraph, what shall we do? First, we will write that animals are our wealth. We must protect them. We must conserve them. Just like elephants, very costly wealth of nature as well as wealth of our earth. Their tusks are very costly. They are made of ivory. Ivory tusks are nothing but teeth of elephant or elephants. People kill elephants or poachers kill elephant for their tusk. Jewelries are made from tusk and they are sold in different countries. Different arts are made, different articles are made, and they are sold. So, to protect elephants or to conserve elephants, we have to save them. We have to protect them. We will protect them from being killed by the poacher, which is against the law. So, we can write a paragraph using all these words are given here. We can frame a paragraph that how to save elephants, which are the wealth of our earth. In the same way, in place of elephants, we can take deer also. People kill deer to satisfy their need. Tusks, just like elephants' tusks are costly, we can write that Skin of deer is very costly. They are sold different places. People kill deer for their skin and for their horns and skins are used to decorate the houses. So they are also in danger and they are considered as endangered species deer, like deer. They are becoming extinct. So to stop this illegal work, we must support the killing. We must not support the killing. We must educate the people and tell them killing or poaching of animals are illegal and this should be taken seriously. We must not do such illegal things. We must save elephants, we must save deer, we must save tiger, because all these animals are the wealth of our nation, of our earth, of our nature.